Death to you all! Your life ends here.
Time for a bit of the rough and tumble.
You got this coming! Let's give them a right thrashing.
Get over here!
You got this coming! If nobody else is gonna step up, why not? Ready for that nap any time now. What's it gonna take to get a little action around here?
Death to you all! As it should be. I must rest my eyes a while. Oh, such a waste of time this is. Your life, I alone belong. I grow tired of wasting time. I am certain to die without you.
Nestled atop the cliffs that rise from the Sword Coast, the citadel of Candlekeep houses the finest and most comprehensive collection of writings on the face of Farron. It is an imposing fortress, kept in strict isolation from the intrigues that occasionally plague the rest of the Forgotten Realms. It is secluded, highly regimented, and it is home. Within these hallowed halls of knowledge, your story begins. You have spent most of your 20 years of life within this keep's austere walls, under the tutelage of the sage Gorion. Acting as your father, he has raised you on 1,000 tales of heroes and monsters, lovers and infidels, battles and tragedies. However, one story was always left untold, that of your true heritage. You have been told that you are an orphan, but your past is largely unknown. Lately, Gorion has been growing distant from you, as if some grave matter weighs heavily on his heart. You have asked about his concerns as gently as possible, but your queries have been in vain. Your sole comfort is the knowledge that he is a wise man, and you know he will tell you when the time is right. Nonetheless, his silence is troubling, and you cannot help but feel that something is terribly wrong. Today, Gorion has appeared more agitated than ever, and now he has uncharacteristically interrupted your chores in the middle of the day, imparting hurried instructions for you to equip yourself for travel. He has handed you what gold he can spare, but given no clue as to why. Nevertheless, you now stand before the Candlekeep Inn, ready to purchase what you need for an unplanned and unexpected journey.
What? No sooner said than done. Of course.
My hotel's as clean as an elven arse. My hotel's as clean as an elven arse.
Yes? A waste of my talents. No sooner said than done. When shadows descend upon the land, our divine lords will walk alongside us.
Hey, it's me, Emmowen.
Oh, my child, I am glad I have found you. Listen carefully. If we ever become separated, it is imperative that you make your way to the Friendly Arm Inn. There you will meet Khalid and Jahira. They have long been my friends, and you can trust them. Let's hurry, child. The night can only get worse, so we must find shelter soon. Don't worry. I will explain everything as soon as there is time. Wait, there is something wrong. We are in an ambush. Prepare yourself.
You're perceptive for an old man. You know why I'm here. Hand over your ward and no one will be hurt. If you resist, it shall be a waste of your life.
You're a fool if you believe I would trust your benevolence. Step aside and you and your lackeys will be unhurt.
I'm sorry that you feel that way, old man.
Get out of here!
Especially cruel this morning. You awake with the realization that you have not been living some horrible dream. Ambushed, you saw Gorion cut down before your eyes, and even his powerful magic could not stop the onslaught. It was his wish that you flee, but that does not remove the feeling of helplessness that now overwhelms you. Hand over your ward, the armored fiend had said. He was after you and you alone, but why? If only Gorion had given some clue. But now you are alone and lost. Candlekeep is near, but you will find no quarter there. The readers pay for their serenity with rather draconian entry rules, and without Gorion's influence, their doors will remain closed. You will not last long on your own with your meager equipment. Perhaps you can get some help from the friends Gorion mentioned, the ones at the Friendly Arm.
Hey, it's me, Imoen.
What? No sooner said than done. Make it quick. Yes, of course.
Ho there, wanderer. Stay thy course a moment to indulge an old man.
No sooner said than done. Make it quick. Yes? A waste of my... What? A waste of my talents. No sooner said than done. Hi, friend. Make it quick, of course. Of course. Hi, friend.
My blade will cut you down to size. You're a queer fellow.
What? No sooner said than done. Make it no sooner said than done.
Hey,
A waste
friend.
of my talents.
Good to meet a fine sod such as yourself.
Calm yourself, dear. We must proceed carefully.
Yes? Of course. What? Of course.
Nature's
What you
servant
want?
awaits.
I've done had enough of this.
It's been dreadful slow business lately.
Yes?
Yep, I'm
My
gone.
inn is open to all who behave themselves.
What? A waste of my talents.
You must gather your party before venturing forth.
Of course.